Hi and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will talk about staking in cryptocurrency and how does it work. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button so you won't miss new crypto content. One way to make money in crypto is to invest in it, but there are also ways you can earn passive income without selling them. Staking is the process of locking up cryptocurrency assets for a predetermined amount of time to maintain a blockchain's operation. You gain extra cryptocurrency by staking your existing cryptocurrency. A proof-of-stake consensus mechanism is used by numerous blockchains. In this arrangement, network users must stake a certain amount of cryptocurrency in order to support the blockchain by confirming fresh transactions and adding fresh blocks. Staking enables a blockchain to contain only valid data and transactions. Participants competing for the opportunity to verify new transactions make to lock up sums of cryptocurrency in staking as a form of insurance. If they improperly validate flawed or fraudulent data, they may lose some or all of their stake as a penalty. But if they validate correct, legitimate transactions and data, they earn more crypto as a reward. Staking is how proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies cultivate a functioning ecosystem on their networks. The bigger the stake, the greater chance validators get to add new blocks and earn rewards. In Pose, validators stake their assets as a skin in the game, which gets slashed or destroyed if they behave maliciously. For example, trying to create a fraudulent block of transactions that didn't happen. How does staking work? If you own a cryptocurrency that uses a proof-of-stake blockchain, you are eligible to stake your tokens in exchange for locking up your assets and participating in the network validation. Validators receive rewards in that cryptocurrency known as staking rewards. You can choose from different staking pools to find a validator and combine your tokens to help your chances of generating blocks and receiving rewards. Crypto exchange Kraken offers rewards for staking cryptocurrencies. You must commit to staking for 3 months before you get your tokens back. The program will pay you the return in the staked cryptocurrency, which you can then hold as an investment or trade for cash and other cryptocurrencies. What are the benefits of staking crypto? Earn passive income. If you don't intend to sell your Bitcoin tokens anytime soon, you can make passive income by staking. You wouldn't have received this income from your cryptocurrency investment without staking. Easy to get started. You can get started staking quickly with an exchange or crypto wallet. The process involves loading cryptos into a wallet and clicking the Staking button on validators or staking pools. Support crypto projects you like. By staking some of your funds, you make the blockchain more resistant to attacks and strengthen its ability to process transactions. Staking has the added benefit of contributing to the security and efficiency of the blockchain. Projects you support, says Taneem Rasool, co-founder of National Digital Asset Exchange. What are the risks of staking crypto? Many proof-of-stake networks used slashing to punish validators who take improper actions. If you stake with a dishonest validator, you could lose part of your investment. Liquid staking products offer a tokenized version of the staked assets that are essentially liquid. Should you stake crypto? Staking is a good option for investors interested in generating yields on their long-term investments. If you might need your money back in the short term before the staking period ends, you should avoid locking it up. Experts recommend only working with companies with a positive reputation and high security standards. What have you learned from this video? We'll be also doing staking for your tokens. Let us know your thoughts in the comment. If you think this video have added value to your knowledge, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you.